So after 2 minutes, guess who decided to show up? You want some chicken? Come get some chicken. Come. Come. Chicken. Want chicken? Want some chicken? Come. Chicken. Come. Look at him. Cute little one. Go ahead, eat it. Chicken. Want more chicken? Bond? More chicken? More chicken? You happy, huh? Happy you getting chicken. Eat it, eat it, eat it. More chicken? You're having fun with that, huh? No. You're leaving bits. I don't think I should give you this chicken now. You want more chicken? Bond? You're leaving bits. That's not cool. I have to walk on that rug. Hey, you're missing. That's chicken. That's chicken right there, buddy. Anyway, you want some? More chicken? More chicken? Bond? More chicken? More chicken? Chicken? More? Here. Come. Eat it. Bond. Eat it. Come. Good Bond. He loves chicken. Big piece of chicken there, buddy. Aw. And that's Bond eating chicken. Well. Something we both have in common. We both love chicken. Right, Bond? Bond. Hey, Bond. You like chicken? No? But you think it's scrumptious, huh?